In this video, we will learn about voice typing. Typing by keyboard is very hectic, boring, and time-consuming task. We can solve this problem by latest technique, voice typing. For voice typing, we will use Google app, Google Docs. After typing required document, we will copy that document and paste to Microsoft Word. So let's start. Attach microphone properly. Sign in with Gmail account and click on Google Apps. As we click on Google Apps, various Google Apps will be displayed. We will select Google Docs. As we click on Google Docs, home page of Google Docs will be displayed. We will open a new document, blank document for typing. Double click on their blank document. For voice typing, we will click on Tools and we will select Voice Typing. As we click on voice typing, on the left side of the document, microphone will be displayed. As we click on the microphone, this microphone will be active and the message will be displayed. Docs.google.com want to use your microphone. We will click on allow option. Now start voice typing. An operating system is a type of system software that manage all operations and components of a computer system. It is the most important software that runs on a computer. A computer cannot perform any task without an operating system. It must be installed on every computer. An operating system acts as an interface between the user and the computer. It allows the user to interact with the computer. The user cannot run any program without operating system. The operating system loads in RAM automatically when the computer is turned on. Some examples of operating systems are Microsoft Windows, Linux, Unix, Macintosh operating system and Android operating system. Now we will close this microphone as our typing is complete. Turn off microphone, select the text and make a copy. Open Microsoft Word or PowerPoint or any software where you want to put your typing. We are using here Microsoft Word. Now you can edit this file as per your requirements.